2006 Malibu Max 3.5 liter, and I'm having trouble with the fan. The fan control only works on very low and very high. And it's been like this for a while. And I mean, everybody really only puts their fan on high no matter what. I mean, you really very seldom use low, but it's nice to have. And then, of course, if the high goes out, then you don't have any fan except for the low. And if they both go out, then you don't have any heat or cooling. So it's been like this for a while, and I'm just getting around to changing it. So I'm pretty sure it's the Malibu. I'm pretty sure it's the fan speed control. And this one's a lot easier to change. The one on my 2003 Impala, that was, oh man, I should have taken the passenger seat out. I'm 6'5", and so it was really contorted to get. It was way in the back, you know, under the cutoff panel, or whatever, the block out panel, whatever they call it, where the blower motor and everything is. It was real difficult to get to. But anyway, this one's a lot easier. I'm going to show you how to do that. So of course you have to have a new fan speed control. And what you want to do is this block out panel, it's got clips on it. You need to pull this down to release the clips. So it's all the way out now, except for it's got this one clip that's holding the wiring harness. So I'm going to disconnect that. It's on the bottom right here. So you got to get a pair of pliers and squeeze that together and push it out. So it's completely detached. I can just remove this. So one suggestion, if the high's burnt out or they're all burnt out, you may want to check your blower motor fan to make sure it's not binding. Or if you put a new one of these in, the speed control, and it goes bad again within months, you might want to check take the blower motor out. In fact, I may do that just to check mine. There's the blower motor. I think that's right there. That's the speed control resistor pack. Well, I just remembered that on these, you need to see where there's that ridge around the outside of the blower motor. You have to cut all the way around that. And if it was a damaged blower motor, I mean, there's a possibility that cutting around there, you could do something to the blower motor, damage it. Yeah, it's one thing if it's already bad, but I'm pretty sure that this is there's nothing wrong with it. I'm getting really good airflow. So at this point in time, I'm not gonna check my blower motor. I'm just gonna plug it back in, and I'm just gonna focus on the what's really wrong. And like I said, there's cutting around there, you could damage the motor. No sense risking that. Something too is I don't think the bolts that hold the fan speed control in, I don't think they're metric. And so I'm going to use this, I think it's like 7/30 seconds. To remove it, and this is where an electric ratchet shines. having to ratchet that out, it's difficult. Getting underneath there, this will bring it right out. And you may need to use a universal joint too. So here's the bolts, and see if I put it in. This is 6mm, and it just it turns in it. And 5mm, it's too small. And so the 7/32 is perfect. So 7/32 are like about, oh, I don't know, I guess about 5.5mm. So I mean, it could be metric, it could be 5.5mm. But if you don't have a 5.5mm, you use a 7/32. It fits perfect. So here's the oh yeah, you can see where it heated up, I guess. Resistor. So I'll just change this out and put the new one in. Okay, the job's complete. I have air on all 3 controls now. Or all 4. Now I got to put the closeout panel on, and then I'll be done.